Hello, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to explore a topic that's both important and often overlooked: how to improve potency naturally, without relying on standard medications you'd typically find at the pharmacy. Gentlemen, let's face it. Statistics show that over half of men aged 40 to 70 experience some degree of erectile dysfunction. And as we age, these issues tend to become more frequent and severe. But here's the good news. There are natural ways to address these challenges. And today, we'll dive into one of the most promising solutions. Now, of course, there are medications available at the pharmacy to help with potency. I don't think I need to name them specifically. If I mention the little blue pill, I'm sure you know exactly what I'm talking about. But here's the thing. These medications come with their own set of challenges. First, there's the cost. A pack of just 4 pills can be quite expensive, and for many people, this isn't a sustainable solution. For those who rely on these medications too often, another issue arises: dependency. Over time, you may find that an erection only happens when you take the pill. This can create a cycle where you feel like you can't perform without it, which can be frustrating and even damaging to your confidence. And let's not forget the side effects. Traditional potency medications can cause headaches, neurological issues, heart problems, hearing loss, blurred vision, or even facial flushing. If you've ever read the fine print on the leaflet that comes with these pills, you'll know exactly what I mean. Another important point to consider is that these medications don't always work for everyone. Their effectiveness isn't guaranteed, and for some men, they simply don't provide the results they're looking for. So, how do these medications actually work? Let me explain briefly. Traditional erectile dysfunction medications increase the body's sensitivity to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow to the penis. And, well, the rest doesn't need much explanation. But here's the catch. These medications only provide a temporary solution. They don't address the underlying causes of erectile dysfunction, which can include inflammation of the blood vessel lining, the endothelium, cardiovascular diseases, or neurological disorders. In fact, erectile dysfunction often has a mixed origin. It's usually a combination of factors like a stressful lifestyle, which affects the nervous system, and an unhealthy diet, which can lead to vascular problems, including inflammation of the endothelium, and this is the most common scenario. Before we dive into the main topic, let's take a moment to understand the role of the endothelium. The endothelium is the inner lining of blood vessels, and it plays several important roles. It helps blood vessels expand, as we mentioned earlier, and it also has immune functions. Nitric oxide interacts with this layer, causing blood vessels to widen and enabling an erection. However, when the endothelial cells are damaged or inflamed, often due to poor diet, lack of exercise, or chronic stress, this process becomes less efficient, leading to problems with potency. Now, why did I bring up nitric oxide and the substance called L-Arginine, which is its precursor? You're about to find out. In one scientific study, researchers combined L-Arginine with a substance called Pycnogenol. This combination has multiple benefits for the body. It improves erectile dysfunction, enhances sperm quality, and, something traditional medications don't do, increases testosterone levels. The main mechanism of this combination is boosting nitric oxide production in blood vessels, which, as we know, improves blood flow to the penis and results in better erections. Let's take a closer look at these two components. Pycnogenol is a powerful antioxidant derived from the bark of French maritime pine trees. It reduces inflammation in the endothelium, making it more responsive to nitric oxide. L-Arginine, as we mentioned earlier, is the precursor to nitric oxide. Together, these two substances work synergistically to address the root causes of erectile dysfunction. Unlike traditional medications, which only provide a temporary fix, Pycnogenol and L-Arginine target the underlying issues. This means you're not just masking the problem, you're working toward a lasting solution. Let's talk about the results of a clinical study that tested this combination. The study involved 40 men with erectile dysfunction. After 3 months of taking L-Arginine and Pycnogenol, nearly 93% of participants regained normal erectile function. Here's how the study was structured. Each month, the dose of pycnogenol was increased by 40 milligrams, starting at 40 milligrams per day and reaching 120 milligrams per day by the 3rd month. participants also took 1.7 grams of L-Arginine daily. Interestingly, a second group in the study took only L-Arginine without Pycnogenol, and they didn't experience any improvement. This is an important takeaway. Many popular supplements for potency on the market today contain only L-Arginine. But for optimal results, you need a strong antioxidant like Pycnogenol to complement it. Now let's take a moment to talk about lifestyle. While supplements like L-Arginine and Pycnogenol can be incredibly effective, they work best when combined with healthy habits. For example, regular exercise improves blood flow and reduces stress, both of which are crucial for maintaining good sexual health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can also support endothelial function and nitric oxide production. And let's not forget the importance of managing stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your nervous system, making it harder for your body to respond to nitric oxide. Practices like meditation, yoga, or even just taking time to relax can make a big difference. So, what's the bottom line? The combination of L-Arginine and Pycnogenol not only improves erectile function, but also addresses the root causes of the problem. It's a natural, effective solution without the side effects associated with traditional medications. And here's the best part. It's backed by science. A 2003 study concluded that oral supplementation with L-Arginine and Pycnogenol significantly improves sexual function in men with erectile dysfunction, without any side effects. If you're interested in trying this natural approach, I've included a link in the description where you can find high-quality L-Arginine and Pycnogenol supplements. Remember, investing in your health is always worth it. Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.